Hey guys, so today is Saturday, June 6 po. Ha? Dami tayo sa kalsada. Okay, sama kayo. Punta kami Green Hills. Magko-commute lang kami ni AJ. Sama ko si AJ. Ilang araw ko to iniwan sa bahay. Ayan. Adventure. Sama ko siya. And hindi kami mag-grab ngayon. Actually may pera pa naman ako. Kaso gusto ko rin siya matuto mag-commute. No, hindi pa to nakakasakay ng jeep sa buong buhay niya. Hindi pa to nakakasakay ng tricycle sa buong buhay niya. Yan ang training ko sa mga anak ko para hindi maging maarte. Yung ibang nagpunta sa US eh. Isang taon pa lang sa US eh. Ayaw na mag-commute eh. Hindi ko ba alam kung bakit. Baka may kilala kayong mga ganon. Or sa Canada. Isang taon pa lang sa Canada. Social na ayaw na mag-jeep. Eh syempre once in a while, hindi naman permanente. Maganda matutunan niya to at ma-experience niya. So yan, gamit lang ako ng Google Maps papuntang MRT Boni. And then wait, sabi ko sa kanya mag-ingat, wag to tapak na tae, may sounds. At higit sa lahat, mag-ingat sa kalsada kasi sasagasaan siya rito. Hindi siya hihintuan ng mga sasakyan. Yan. Binata na ako. 17-minute walk. Okay guys, we're halfway there. We need to get to the mall before the rain drops. Sako for sale, 300. Bundle, 50 pieces. Ayos. Okay. Just in time. The rain is here. The train. AJ, cross. Hi guys. We're back here at the Lights Mall. I went here yesterday but I was not able to exchange my dollars. So we'll try again today before going to the other mall, Green Hills Shopping Center. Okay guys, magpalit na ako. $150. 8,257. So, ayaw ko lang sinerox na yung passport ko. Anyway, eto, bili tayong gamot. Kailangan natin gamot sa ubo, tsaka facial wash ni AJ. What else do we need to buy? We're able to exchange $150. Now we're buying stuff like facial wash. And what else do you need? Cough medication. That's it. Maybe vitamins. Okay, we're in. Hey.
Nasa station siya dito.
The Lights 2 residence. Hey Jay, look at me. Okay, the next stop is our stop. So, this batch is not full. AC is cold. Robinsons. So we're walking along EDSA, going to Green Hills. I think this is the PNP. Okay guys, we're almost there. Annapolis. It's Green Hills. Okay guys, we're here. 18-minute walk. That's not bad. Promenade, Green Hills. Alright. Oh yeah, Green Hills. Okay guys, we're in. Yeah, cellphone na. Anak ko. Close it. Wow, okay. Okay. Hello. Pag iniitan ako na yan eh. Don't like LeBron. Oh yeah. Ronaldo. Okay. Alright guys, we need to go upstairs for the cell phones. Let's see if they can repair my two phones. Checking my Okay guys, pina-check ko yung Samsung Galaxy S20 ko. No? Sabi mga 6.5 daw para ayusin. Sabi ko wag na. Ang bili ko lang doon parang $70, parang 3.5 lang. Tapos sa US, pwede kang bumili ng palit na digitizer tsaka screen, $30 lang. Kaso ikaw magkakabit. So yun na ipa-project ko. Tatry ko next time. Okay, so we came from inside here, Shopsville. Now we gotta go this way. I think McDonald's is on this side. AJ wants to eat Big Mac?
Yeah.
Why?
Compare.
To compare?
From US.
Okay. You don't want to eat the chicken in McDonald's?
No,
We don't have we don't have chicken.
you get that.
Okay, I'll get that. Okay, I'll get that and you get the Big Mac. Okay, we're inside McDonald's. This is their McDonald's. Huh? You want blueberry cheesecake? The picture, but I don't know if it's actual. Hello. Ay, yun, meron sila. Okay, yung Big Mac meal. You wanna go with the meal? Okay. Meal. Okay guys, moment of moment of truth, AJ. What's the difference between Big Mac in the US and Big Mac in the Philippines? That's the answer. Open it. Is it the same? Does it look the same?
No,
It's small.
I think it's like a little bigger.
Is it? Is it a little bigger? Or let's taste it.
I don't know.
Huh?
It's not different.
It's hardly different.
No, it's different.
Why? Which one? Lagyan mo ay ano? The meat is different. Oh, maselan to si AJ. So which is better? Philippine Big Mac or US Big Mac? You don't know? So which one is better?
Maybe US.
US though. US Big Mac is better. But they have this that we don't have in the US. They have chicken here. Chicken and spaghetti. But the sauce so tiny. So now what? The area. Dito sa taas.
It's a mix of figures.
Oh yeah, Manny Pacquiao.
Cards, jerseys. Star Wars, Diecast. Collecting toys or figures.
Ay, yun. Gusto rin edit na tamay pa.
Oh, mga maliliit eh. Yeah.
Mini figure, mini
Fire hydrant, but I think that's too big.
Marvel, vintage din.
Wow, 3,000. Careful, Haji. Toys and more toys. Hot Wheels, AJ, oh. Dami. Ang dami.
Oh my God.
Hold on, hold on. The Battle for Manila. Wow. Oh, mag-thank you ka sa tita mo, ha. Bilan siya ni Daing ng slippers. Cubao? Yeah, it's another place. Okay guys, bago kami umalis, papunta kami Cubao. Magbigay ako ng review doon sa chicken ng McDo. I don't know, hindi ko ma-recall kung kailan muli ako nakakain ng chicken ng McDo, pero nasarapan ako. Parang mas masarap siya sa Jollibee. Parang yung Jollibee mas maraming taste, mas maraming MSG, I don't know. Parang mas simple, mas basic yung ano, mas masarap. Tapos ngayon, punta na kami sa Cubao area. Iayain nila kami mag coffee shop. So from Cubao kasi pag naghiwalay kami, isang ride na lang kami ni AJ sa MRT papunta sa Boni Station.